Hi guys, today I will be sharing how to make cookies and cream bark Valentine's Day edition. We only need two basic ingredients to do this recipe. So we need one box of Oreo cookies. In each box, there's two individual packs. We need white chocolate melts. For the white chocolate melts, I'm only showing you here one bag, but we need two. So all in all, we need 580 grams of white chocolate. Now we're going to break the Oreos into small pieces. Use your hands to do this process. We don't want a lot of crumbs or else our bark will be very grayish. So we'll still want to maintain the white color of the chocolate. So all in all, I used 28 pieces of Oreos because each pack is 14 pieces. So this is the second pack now. So I'm spreading it to see how far my bark can go. So here I put the chocolate melts into a heat-proof bowl and I'm going to melt this in the microwave for a minute. I'm using chocolate melt so you don't need to temper it. So gather all the Oreos into a pile. And then just add the white chocolate. Then using your hands with the gloves, mix the Oreos and the white chocolate. Make sure that all the Oreos is getting the white chocolate. At this point, I realized that I need more chocolate because it needs to fully cover the Oreos. So I'm going to melt more white chocolate. So I added another pack of or another bag of white chocolate. So here I'm adding it. I'm going to fully mix it again using my hands just to make sure that all the Oreos is being coated by the white chocolate. It is best to use your hands to do this process because you want to feel the thickness and to make sure that all the Oreos is being coated. You don't want the bark to be very thick. So spread it and make sure that the Oreos is flat. And for me, this is now ready. And to make this a Valentine's themed, I'm adding mini heart sprinkles or confetti. If you don't have this, you can skip this. And just before the chocolate fully sets, we're going to make a pre-cut. Because if we let the chocolate fully set, it will be hard to cut this. I'm using a pizza cutter, but you can use a knife to do this process. I'm just cutting this like roughly. It doesn't need to be perfect. So any size is okay or any shape. And once it's fully set, it doesn't take long. You can just remove it from the parchment paper and break the bark. Transfer it into a platter or you can package this. If it doesn't fully cut, you can use a knife to fully cut the bark. And this is the finished product. I hope you give this a try. It's so easy to make. Give this to your loved ones or to your friends on Valentine's Day. That will be very sweet. And just to show you what it looks like, close up. You can even sell this. Show you how you can package this for giveaways. So I'm adding 3 in each bag. You can put more or you can put less using a treat bag. And then I just printed some labels from the internet. You can find this if you research Valentine's treat bags label. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you do like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again next week. Bye.